related to uh, exercise 6A. So one query from Umar Jamil that he's saying, sir, I'm unable to do question number 3, part E. So I'm doing this question again. All of you please pay attention very carefully so that this problem will be resolved. And this video will be soon uploaded. This is very short video because in this 10 to 15 minutes video, your own problems will be discussed. And these will be uploaded on YouTube as well. So whenever you want to see any confusion, you feel that you are unable to do. So mm, say yes, student. Okay. Now this is the question. Now I'm asking what we are going to do. Any other student can tell me that which identity can be applied in numerator and what will we do with denominator. Yes, student.
Sir, in denominator we will do middle term breaking.
Okay, in denominator we will do middle term breaking. What we will do in numerator? Can anybody tell me the formula yesterday in session 2 and session 1? I described the formula for this reason
A
that
square minus b square.
yes, so can anybody tell me? Now look at this. This is very simple. Which number square becomes k square and which number square is 9? So this is very
Sir, k will be 9. Sir, 3 is the square of 9.
yes. So what I'm going to do? Okay, I will put the square over here and then I will put the square here and in denominator I will factorize. So can anybody tell me what will come here? Over here k will come. Whose number square is 9?
3. 3, sir.
Are you getting my point? Okay, three will come here. What about the students? What about the breaking the middle term? This is positive sign. With last number, you
Yes, sir.
have to multiply two numbers. Okay, student. First, I used to tell the technique in classes, on-site classes, but now this is very beneficial for you that I am revealing such techniques on online, and these will be uploaded on YouTube as well. So you can see all these techniques. Look at this. You have to multiply two numbers that becomes 12.
4 3 is the 12.
Hmm? 12. But if
4
you add
4
if
3
you
is the
add these two numbers, yes, if you add these two numbers, it will become 7. So that is 3 and 4. But you will put the sign with negative number, and when there is a positive sign, when there is a positive sign with plus 12, okay, positive sign plus 12, then you have to use the same sign with which you are using in middle term, like you will use minus 3 minus 3 minus 3 means when you multiply minus 3 minus 4 it will become plus 12 because same sign will be used. So instead of minus 7k I will be using minus 3k minus 4k.
and
Yes,
minus 4k.
Omar Jamil, are you getting it? Omar Jamil, are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And is there any confusion?
No, sir.
Thank you. Thank you very much. So, I hope that you are getting this concept now. K square minus 3k minus 4k plus 12. Now, what is the next step? Next step that the formula which we are using, k square minus c square, I will be writing in the form of a plus b and a minus b. Are you
Yes,
getting
sir.
my point? A plus b.
Yes, sir. Sir, in numerator we will write
Okay. Should I write? Should I write over here?
we will
A
write
plus
k
3.
and k minus 3.
K minus 3. So what about in denominator? Do you know in denominator we will also using group factorization?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's continue. Let's continue group factorization. Let me,
Okay.
student, after this, a complete PDF file will be ready. This is very simple way. PDF
Sir,
file will
k,
be ready. Okay. Okay.
k
Now,
will be the common.
okay. What is a common? K is a common, right? You are right. What is left
K
inside?
minus
3. And what is here as it is, it will come here. And what is a common now?
4. 4.
4. 4 is a common. And
Yes.
then,
K
and then
minus
K,
minus
positive, negative, negative, and K minus 3. And then next step,
the k plus 3, k minus 3,
K plus 3,
then k minus 3.
K minus 3,
So in denominator it will be the k minus 3 and
K
k minus
minus 3,
and k
and
minus
K minus 4. Now, can you simplify which two brackets can be simplified now?
Sir, k minus 3 can be simplified.
K
3, sir.
minus 3, very good, my students. K minus 3 can be cancelled. And
So
now, what is
answer,
the final answer?
answer will be k upon 3,
No, no, K plus 3
k plus
upon.
3, k
Upon
minus
k
4,
minus 4.
Now,
k
you
minus
cannot simplify these two. This is our final answer. Because when they are adding, so we cannot cancel. Yesterday, I told you about this. If K plus 1 is written and K minus 1 is written, you cannot cancel K. This is incorrect way to do this question. Okay, hope you are getting this. Okay, any next question? Then I will continue with this. And if you want to give your input, now I request Umar Jamil to explain the whole question right now to the class. Hurry up, Umar Jamil, starting from here. Hurry up.
Yes, sir. We are given k square minus 9 upon k square minus 7k plus 12. First we will take the both of the square of the numerator, which will be k square minus 3 to the power of 2. Then upon we will break the middle term, which equals to k square minus 3k minus 4k plus 12, because 4 plus 3 equals to 7, and 4 3 is 12. So we will do the a minus b. We will do the a square minus b square formula, which will form it k plus 3 and k minus 3, which will go upon. Then we will factorize and find the basic or the common term, which is k in the first one, which is k minus 3, and the other one is minus 4 bracket k minus 3. So then when we have take both of the common brackets and we have factorized within it, then then we will minus simplify k minus 3 with k minus 3, which will give our answer k plus 3 upon k minus 4.
Yes. Yes, other students. Hope you got the concept. Is there any problem? Any other problem you are facing? I will do this question over here. Hurry up.
no, sir.
Sir, I had a question.
Which one?
Sir, question number 6, part A.
Okay, I will explain next part A, and then we will move to our
Sir, I have a
exercise. We
question.
will stop this video. Yes, yes, and then new video will be prepared for the new lesson. Yes, question number
Sir,
6 part.
it's B part.
Yes, repeat please.
Number 6 B part.
Acha, question 6 part B. Okay,
Yes.
don't worry. Don't worry. I am going to explain.
Sir,
Question.
question number 6, part B, and answer question number 5, part A. Yeah, can you explain both?
I think I explained question 5A yesterday.
5A.
I please watch the video and let me know. Let me continue this, then try to solve this, simplify this. If you are unable, then I will explain. Okay, try yourself. Now the question 6df upon 9f cube 9f cube multiply by 3f upon 16d square divided by 8d cube 8 divided by 27d. Okay, students, you remember I told you yesterday you have to simplify this one by using, you have to simplify when you write multiply sign instead of division. Simplify. Okay. Okay. Okay, student, you can simplify over here, but you can simplify when you put multiplication sign. Let me simplify this first. 3 times 9, 2 3 times 6, and 2 8 times 16. Is there any confusion? Is there any confusion?
Yes, sir. Sir, why you will cut with 3?
No?
Sir, why you 6 by 3?
Okay, can I cut D as well? D and 2 would I
Yes,
remove
sir.
F so that 2F will be left here and one more F is there. So to cut 2 and only one F will be left here. So what is in numerator left? 3, 3 upon. Okay, can I cancel this 3 as well? Because 2 3 is 6, 2 8 is 16. So can I cancel this 3 as well? Hmm? Student, what is left now? Excuse me, I want your contribution. Hello,
Sir, we will simplify 3 with what?
3 and 3 cancel.
Yes, sir, we can.
So what is left in numerator?
Sir, 1. Sir,
One,
1 is
1 is left. Very good. And in numerator, one what is left? A, 8, and 1
f square to the
and
power
1
of d.
D is left. Is this correct or not? All
Sir,
students
square
ensure.
is also there.
Sir,
Sir,
it's
f
What?
correct.
square is also
Which square is there?
Sir, f to the power. Sir, when you cut it f cube, so it become f square, na?
So
So
one,
why?
excuse me, one more F is cancelled. Please look at this. There are two F. I have cancelled two F, 1 and 2.
Okay.
Are you getting my point? Two F. Okay. Now if I put the multiplication sign here, so what will happen? This will be reciprocal. This will be reciprocal.
Yes, sir.
3 and F power 2. Okay, student. Now, what can we cancel now? Simplify. Can anybody know, please? D and D cancel. Hmm? D and D cancel. What is in numerator left? Anything else can be cancelled or not? Students, I want your contribution. Without your
Sir,
contribution, not go ahead.
numerator become 27. Sir, numerator will become 27.
Okay, sorry. Uh, Numerator will become 27. Okay, numerator will become 27. Then
Sir, then the denominator. Sir, we will multiply 8f by 8b square f square.
64. Then D is 3. What about 1 plus 1 plus?
Yes, 1 plus 2.
I think where is Khizar, Shabir, and Huraira? I'm not getting responses from these boys. Even Usman is also not answering. Please, hope you are all getting this very clearly. So, what is the final answer? What is the final answer?
Sir, 27 upon
Hello,
64 cube of f to the power of 3.
all of you, please tell me. Now, I would like to ask Muhammad Huraira to explain this question, please, right now. You have 2 minutes.
Sir, he is offline.
Sir, your mic is muted.
Yes, I ask Muhammad Hadi to explain this question to the whole class right now.
Sir, Mohammad Huraira.
Now, I like to ask Muhammad Hadi, please, to explain this question.
Sir, I can't see the question correctly. Sir, in this question, first of all, we will do the step by step. In first step, we will cross cutting each other, and then the answer will come. Then we will then we will again cross cut each other. So like that, like this answer will come. Sir. Then we will multiply it.
No, Hadi, kindly explain this part, that why I put multiplication sign and why I did this 27d upon 8t power 3. Why I did this?
Sir, you
Because
have this. So because there was divide sign, and if we change the denominator and numerator upside down, so it will convert into multiplication.
Thank you, students. Thank you very much for your kind cooperation. And this session is going to be ended. Student center ended because student problem were video. Now we are going to start another video in which we are starting exercise 6b. And you know your problem. I hope you have cleared all your concepts. Thank you.